As you can hear, the sound of the needle touching the lips is the correct sound of doing the right tattoo. So in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you the point that you will know that you doing the right thing on the lip tattoos. So you can hear the sound is cracking the lips. The sound is making the lips smooth and the heel result is very good, and the lips is not swelling and not hurt. This client, he doesn't have dark lip, but he has many white dot on the upper lip. So we choose the color slightly red for his lip. The result after it heal, it will be pink. And the needle, we should not be extend the needle too long or too short. It must be around 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters. And we do not press the lip too hard because it can be damage the lip and the color doesn't heal well. After it heal, it will be not good result. While tattooing, do not worry about the color. Just keep going. Make sure that every part of the lip is tattooed. And you keep going. After 5 to 15 minutes, the color will be come up and you can see the result, because when you starting tattoo the lips, the color doesn't come up. Don't worry, just keep going. If you try to repeat, and the color will be very thick and the customer will be get pain and the result doesn't feel very smooth and look not natural. In this part, I slow the video to show you how the machine work and how to hold the lip properly when you tattoo. The difficult thing for the first artist maybe how to hold the upper lip, how to hold the down lip properly, but this video you can see clearly how you swing the machine and how you hold the lip, because you must to hold the lip tightly. If you don't hold the lip tightly, the color doesn't smooth and the result does not look natural. Here the result, because our client is a man, he doesn't have dark lips, so we have to do it a little bit slight red because he doesn't want lipstick on his lips. So today is thank you for watching.